Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Coles County, Moultrie County, northeastern Shelby County, southeastern Fayette County, western Douglas County, until 9 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Findlay, or 7 miles southwest of Sullivan, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sullivan around 8:25 p.m. Arthur around 8:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Tuscola. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 196 and 214,